Win some Proline tyres, win some Proline tyres. Or you can win, get this puppy out of here, a winch. And it even comes with its little worn sticker. How cool is that, eh? So guys, that's going to be this year's competition. Some guys need tyres, some guys need a winch. Write me in the comment which of the two you need, and I shall put you in the draw. Now let's get back into today's video. We are back at the TW Raceway, and it's race day! I've got all my subscribers here that have entered the competition by answering if they want a winch or a set of tires. Now I'm going to throw them in the air. I'm going to catch some of them, and let's see how many drivers I get. Okay, are you ready? Steady. 1, 2, 3, go! Well, that was quite stupid, but he wins in. Never mind. So you pick them all up again. Okay. Okay, this time I'm going to throw them upwind so that they can come back to me. 1, 2, 3, go! And you. Oh, I got some. Hang on a seckie. Okay, first is Skyline Twin. Then I have, oh, I actually have 4 drivers. Then I have Jason Gilbert. Then I have Z2000A1. And then I have Robert Patterson. 4 drivers up for the win. Well, only one is gonna win, but anyway. My finish line is a little bit light, so I'm going to just give it a scratch. So it's between this rock and this piece of painted session. We are going to run through here. This is the finish line. Where the truck is standing at the moment, that is the start line, and we are going to run the trail like we always do. We begin here. This is the trail going over first obstacle, dropping into this obstacle, then turning into the V-notch, which is seriously steep. Trying to get a right turn in. This right turn is very steep. You have to kind of back it up a few times. Get it around here. Normally we hit the tree, try and get around the tree, and then shoot off through the finish line. Let's get our first driver in the truck, and let's go for it. That's kind of what you do. Yeah, okay. Anyway, we will be running the TRX4 Sport with its Frankenstein modification. So it's more like a body modification. I am running my Super Swamper tires. They are grippy, but not too grippy. So it gets a little bit more exciting. I got a lot of weight in the front. I've got limited travel on the front shock so that we can hill climb as good as possible, and limited suspension in the back. Let's get our first driver onto the truck. I'll just put him around the front pillar. Robert Patterson. Are we ready? Are we going to use some sound? Yes, let's use some sound. Ready, steady, go. Here comes the bell. And he's off to a good start, keeping it easy. Trying to keep that TRX4 on the trail. The TRX4 is doing good. Oh my gosh, yes. Coming in. Oop, a little bit too fast, going a little bit far there. Backing it up. We do not have any, what do you call it? Oh, wait. We do not have any penalties for backing it up. It's just a plain trail run, time run, sorry. And getting it through here. Yes, come on. No, where's it going? This is okay, this is getting a bit too steep now. Hang on. Try and get that nose back down. Oh. I don't want to smash it against anything. That should pull the nose down. Right turn, slowly backing up. And almost rolled over. Put it back on the trail. Okay. Come on, Robert. You can do this. There we go. Got some grip. Trying to get that body, that nose down. Geez, yeah, this is more difficult than I thought it would be. Come on. Oh, we managed. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Come on. Now we have to do the maybe 1 point turn, 2 point turn, 3 point turn. And ooh, that was actually quite good. Coming around. Oh, hitting the tree just a little bit back up. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, wait. Across the line. Wow, Robert Patterson, well done. Okay, let's put that driver there. Next driver up is Jason Gilbert. Let's put him around the A-pillar, wrap him around tightly so that he kind of stays on there for the entire ride. Positioning the truck so that it's fair for every driver. Hang on, he's a bit far back. And that should be the right position. Okay. Jason Gilbert. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the bell. Oh, and he rams it straight into the rock with the front bumper. Right, left turn, keeping it slow. Easy going. There we go. Wonderful. What an easy. Oh, and he rams the front bumper again. Is he going to go high? Yes, he's going high. Keep going. Dropping that bumper. Come on, get that bumper off there. Reversing maybe will help. Okay. Keeping the turn quiet, tight. Going in. Oh, no, don't overdo it. Oh, just you. Don't overdo it. No. Keeping it easy, keeping it steady. Slowly, easy does it. No, hooked on the front bumper again. No, swinging over. This is a lot tighter than you can actually see from the top of the camera up there. Right, here we go. Slowly. Ooh. Slowly. Okay, I think I got the right angle this time. Yes, and we made it through. Now we come to our 1 point turn, 2 point turn, 3 point turn, 4 point turn, and we're up. And we went a little bit low there. Hang on. And the tree's in the way, not just the rocks in the way. Oh, almost lost it there. And come on, we can do this. And come on, hooked on the back and across the line. Well done, Jason. Let's take Jason out of here. And next guy is Skyline Twin. Let's wrap him tightly around the A-pillar. Mr. Skyline. Hang on, position the truck properly. This is kind of where they sit. Perfect. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Okay, take that gentle this time. All right. Skyline. 1, 2, 3, go! And Jesus, hitting that hard, going into the. Oh. I'm coming off the track here. Hang on. Trying to get this back up. And I'm just slipping off the track. Oh, Jesus. Those super swampers are doing quite a good job. Get that truck around as fast as possible. Okay, not too bad. And we almost. Oh, no. Almost. Let me actually stand behind this because this is white, heavy. Yeah, come on. This is not good. Frantic driving is not always the answer. But this is a time trial, so we kind of have to get as fast up as here as possible. Just that bumper is really grabbing into that rock. Come on. I didn't fall. What must I do? Full back? Okay, no. Okay, another try. Wow, that was a good line. That was not so good. Okay, now slowly. I punched it there a little bit too hard. The excitement sometimes does get to me, but that's just how it is when you're racing, don't you think? Anyway, come on, one more point turn and we've done it. Yes, we've done it. Ugh. Next one. Come on, Skyline, you can do this. Turn that front. Oh yes, we've got a bit of a okay, one more and hooking it up on the across the line. Woohoo! That was a hard run. Hit the last driver. Actually, let me tie my shoelace. I don't want to be seeing my ass on the trail. Hey, where'd Jason go? Oh no, Skylar, not Jason, Skylar. He's up in the side of the truck here. Let me put him on the rock. And the last driver, Z2004 A1. Let's wrap him around the A pillar. Hang on, 1, 2. Oh, that wasn't good. That wasn't too good. Let's wrap him around tightly around the A pillar. There we go. I'm gonna call him Mr. Z. Z2004. Hang on, let's position the truck properly. Tire on the rock here. This is plus minus the way it goes. Okay, Mr. Z, ready, steady, start your engine, go! And taking it easy, a little bit slower, going up on the rocks. Turning in a bit early this time, not too bad. Rolling backwards, going into the V-notch quite nicely. Oh, nice going. That was, I think, the fastest V-notch pass that we had today. Don't mess this up. You're doing great time at the moment, Mr. Z. Okay, let's push it past here. Ooh, turned in a little bit soon. I'm trying to turn in soon so we pass the rock. I'm in the tree and across the line. Well done, Mr. Z2000 or Z2004 A1. Woohoo! Okay. That wasn't too clever. Okay, let's go up and get our times and let's see who won. And we're back up in the shed, and as you can hear, it is nighttime. Yes, those are crickets. The truck is not here. It lost a wheel. I left it standing where it is, hoping that I'm going to find the little bolt, little nut that actually keeps the wheel on. That's why it's staying in the position and in the area where it is. So once I'm stopped filming, I can actually go back and search for my little bolt that holds the wheel on, because I really don't have another one. So I have set the drivers up from 4th place, counting down to 1st place. 4th place, we have Skyline Twin, who has entered the competition before but didn't win anything, at 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 3rd place as well has been in the competition. Robert Patterson at 1 minute and 44 seconds. Then Jason Gilbert, who also has been in the competition, coming in at 1 minute 37. And the winner is Z2004 A1, what a name, coming in at 40 seconds. Well done. Wow, well done for winning this competition. Z2004 A1, you can reach me on Facebook or on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description. You can also write me a comment on YouTube, and that way we will get in contact with each other. December is the next giveaway, and let's make another subscriber happy with either a set of tires or a winch. So that's it for me for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.